All right, today is March 31st, 2012.
And this is Russell.
And he just did 2 rolls in a row, and now we're looking for number 3. This is a birthday present for Poppy. Happy birthday, Poppy.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Okay, Russell. You just did it 2 times in a row. We know you can do it. Don't get frustrated. Don't get camera shy. Yeah, you got the maneuver? You got the push off? Come on. Come on. You're almost there. Repositioning. Here you go. Yay!